What's good everybody, welcome to a new video on my channel, and today we are back with another update on my free trial on FTMO. So yeah, we had NFP week and yeah, you could definitely feel that we took a bunch of losses, but I kept them pretty small because I didn't want to risk too much, especially not on NFP. And yeah, that's what I basically did. So the last trade y'all saw on my channel was the US 30 trades on news, which was this one right here. I catched a pretty good move on here, and yeah, since then I took a couple of trades which I'm gonna show to y'all right here. So at the end of last video we had a balance of 370, so we were $370 in profit. And yeah, we started the Wednesday with a trade which was pretty late into the New York session. It was on gold. I usually don't trade gold and I never will trade it again. I just want to try it out. And yeah, as y'all saw, we had a pretty big move to the upside, and I marked up the last zone. I marked up the origin of the big move. Market came back to it, and you can't really see it, but candle wicked inside the zone, went back up, and that's basically where I got in. I went in profit for like about, I don't know, 20 bucks or some. Overall, I risked $20 on this trade, so yeah, I was down $20 for that day, but I didn't really care because if that trade would have hit, we would have won a 128 RR, which would have made us 160 bucks. But yeah, I didn't really care about that trade. It was a small loss, who cares? After that, I just deleted gold off my watch list, and I'll never trade it again, because even when I backtest this pair, it just doesn't hit. I just want to try it out. And yeah, then the next day, on Thursday, we took a couple of trades on AUD, which I also started to not really like at all, because bro, I'm taking hella losses on AUD. Like in my entire history on my MT5, I only took one win on AUD, and the rest was all losses. So yeah, I don't really fuck with AUD. I deleted it off my watch list, but only trading Nasdaq and US 30 is, bro, you really don't see any setups sometimes. So yeah, I at least want to have 3 pairs on my watch list. I don't know, maybe I gotta backtest a little bit more or something, but yeah, AUD moving hella weird. So the past days we were kind of in a range, as y'all can see. We got these 2 points of resistance right here, and we were moving sideways in that zone. So yeah, what happened was price rejected off this area right here, but before that we had this huge move to the upside, a break of structure, all my confluences hit. But yeah, price took really long to get into that zone, which would be basically a sign to, yeah, not really trade it, because you ain't gonna have that much volume, you know, entering the trade. Because if price consolidates this long, like consolidating started at 3 p.m. and it reached the zone on 5 p.m. like it's literally been 2.5 hours. So yeah, basically what happened, I marked up this zone. I saw price coming into this zone. It wicked in a few times. I was really thinking about entering, but I'm glad I didn't. So basically when price got that deep into that zone, it looked pretty good to me, because sometimes market just wicks into the zone, fakes you out, and goes deeper inside. That's what happened. So I saw market going pretty deep into the zone. Everything looked good. We had a break of candle. I entered right here. Price shot up. I thought, yeah, bro, this trade looking good for us. And yeah, I should have saw it coming, to be honest, because like literally the whole day we had lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and a lower low. So yeah, basically that was my mistake. I shouldn't have got into that trade. We got stopped out for about, let me look up real quick. Yeah, basically we lost about $50 I think on this trade. I took 2 positions. Yeah, we lost $50 on this trade, but we bounced back on US30 later that day, which was this trade right here. Beautiful, beautiful, couldn't have been any better. So yeah, basically we had this, I don't know how to explain it, like price shot up, maybe grabbed all of this liquidity right here, as y'all can see. We had hella liquidity sitting right here on this high, and we even had liquidity sitting right here and up here. So yeah, price maybe grabbed all this liquidity to come back down. And when I saw this break of structure right here, I marked up this zone, set an alarm. I saw my alarm going off. I went on my PC and I entered right on this candle break, which was beautifully at, bro, how you call it, man? Yeah, my English is fucking, it's pretty rusty. So yeah, I just want to say, yeah, I took this trade. I went for almost a 1 to 3. I actually targeted this low, but I was like, yeah, you know what, fuck it, I'ma just take my little 1 to 3, so at least I'm not down for the day, and I made back my losses from yesterday and today. So yeah, basically that's what I did. Literally 20 minutes later, price just hit my TP2, but yeah, that's unfortunate. At least we were not negative for that day. And today we have Friday. We got heavy NFP today. Yeah, I shouldn't have traded today. A lot of people didn't trade today, but yeah, my ass wanted to try its luck, and yeah, that's what we got. So basically today we took 2 losses on US30. Yeah, US30 did us dirty today. I don't know what the fuck happened, but it's NFP, you can't be mad. So let me tell you what happened. So I saw price coming back into this zone right here, which I marked up. Look beautiful, right? Huge move to the upside, imbalance to the upside. We had a break of structure right here. Everything looked perfect to me. So yeah, price came back to the zone. I waited for a confluence. Right there we got our break of candle. Like literally everything looks perfect. I set my stop loss right here and my take profit right here, and we got stopped out. Then price started to go back up, and I was like, yeah, maybe it just wanted to go a bit deeper into the zone, and I re-entered. So on the first loss, I lost $50. Then I re-entered the trade, and most of the time when I re-enter a trade, I'm pretty sure it goes in my favor and I mostly take a win. But yeah, NFP just got my ass today, so we basically took another loss. I don't know on which candle I entered, probably right here, when price had this huge wick to the downside and it went up this much. I think I entered right here, set my stop loss right here, take profit up here again, and not even 5 minutes later we got stopped out again for $60. So we are down $120 for the day. Basically we are sitting at a balance of 10,270. Yeah, so overall we lost $100 this week because of NFP. But you know, I'm not being mad, shit happens. We're gonna bounce back for sure next week. I'm glad we stuck to our risk management, we didn't overtrade, and now we know that NFP is, man, you just don't want to touch NFP, to be honest, cause man, it's just gonna whoop your ass, to be honest, bro. I know it's hard to not trade a whole week, especially if you're doing a challenge, cause you got a time limit of 30 days and a whole week is basically 7 days, which are just cut off. So if you're planning to do a challenge, go on the Forex Factory website right here and just check whether you gonna have NFP or not, cause yeah, NFP really annoying if you're doing a challenge, but it's all good. I'm gonna update y'all next week. Hopefully we gonna bounce back. I'm pretty sure we will. And yeah, keep focused, keep disciplined, man. Trading's hard, but I know at some point we will all get it. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.